Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make Saskatoon pie. In this pot here, I will add 1 tablespoon of margarine and then 4 cups of frozen Saskatoon berries. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, trying to stir this just to melt the margarine. Because the Saskatoon is frozen, now it start bubbling. We'll add half a cup of white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I have to wait this, keep stirring until the mixture it gets very juicy. And boil until it's thick. Now it's start thickening and it's ready for a pie filling. I have my pie shell here. I will put this Saskatoon, berries. And then I will put the other pie crust on top. And I will make a slit so that the pie, the fruit can breathe. I'll bake this in 350 degrees and check about half an hour or so if it's ready. Let's check my Saskatoon pie. Ta-da! Look at that. It's looking pretty good. It's gonna be ready pretty soon. Just leave it for another 5 minutes. My Saskatoon pie is ready, guys. I just gonna let it cool for about 10-15 minutes and we can have a taste. Okay? See you later. Let's taste the pie. Look at that. They're so good. So yummy, guys. Thanks for watching my video. You have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. Bye-bye.